Have you ever faced a word problem that seemed confusing just because it was written in words instead of numbers? Many students struggle not because they don't know how to solve the math, but because they don't know how to translate the problem into an equation. That's where the equation decoder comes in. Today, we're going to learn how to decode word problems involving geometric series by identifying key phrases and turning them into mathematical equation. Once we do that, solving these problems will become much easier. So ano nga ba ang equation decoder? The equation decoder is a method that helps us break down complex word problem by translating word clues into mathematical expressions. Many geometric series problems describe patterns and relationships using words instead of numbers. So recognizing these clues is the first step in solving them correctly. So sa madaling salita, si equation decoder ang magtuturo sa iyo paano gawing mathematical equation ang mga phrases na nasa word problem. For example, if a problem says, each term is half the previous one, ibig sabihin, ang ating common ratio is equals to 0.5 or 1 half. Another example, if a problem says, a machine doubles its output every hour. That's mean we multiply by 2 each step, forming a geometric series. Now, let's look at some common word clues and their meanings. Now, let's apply this to an actual word problems. Problem number 1. A company offers an employee a starting bonus of 1,000 pesos, which each year bonus being 80% of the previous year's. What is the total amount the employee will receive in bonuses over 5 years? The first step is to identify the key phrases. So we have 3 key phrases. The first one is starting bonus of 1,000 pesos. Meaning, this is our first term, or A sub 1 is equals to 1,000. Next, each year's bonus is 80% of the previous year's. Ibig sabihin, ang ating common ratio is 80%, or we have to convert it into decimal so it becomes 0.8. Ang last na key phrases is over 5 years. Meaning, we need to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series. The second step is write it in mathematical expression. As we use the finite geometric series formula, we have to substitute the values into the formula. So after substituting, S sub 5 is equals to 1,000 multiplied by the quantity of 1 minus 0.8 raised to the 5 divided by 1 minus 0.8. Then we have to calculate it 1 by 1. So after 5 years, the total bonus the employee will receive is 3,361 pesos and 60 centavos. Remember, by recognizing keyword clues, translating them into mathematical expressions, and using the correct geometric series formulas, solving word problems become much easier. The equation decoder gives you the power to break down any problem into simple steps and find the correct answer with confidence.